way past Valentino Rossi, back in front 2 laps ago. Rossi lines up the inside, Dovizioso runs it wide and Rossi's back in front.
There you go then, Rossi's got a wake-up call that he knows that Dovizioso is right in his slipstream on the last lap. Dovizioso has got the speed to out-track it to line. Rossi again at the inside, brave move through turn 4. Brilliant from the Italian, 2 laps to go. Rossi from Dovizioso. This has been an epic battle reminiscent of the fight last year between Rossi and Marquez. This time it's Dovizioso.
Down at turn 6, slowest bend on the circuit. Rossi holds the advantage. Dovizioso, no, he has got that run out of turn 16. You know, and he's still fighting on point the record. He's just got to clinch their apart Marquez. He's not going to catch them. Who's going to win this one? Rossi leads the way. Can he eke open a little bit of an advantage over Dovizioso? That's what he's got to try and do. He has got his head down. He starts his 20th season of Grand Prix racing. He's 36 years old. He's not riding with a pair of slippers there, I can assure you.
This is Valentino Rossi's 313th Grand Prix appearance, as fast, as hungry and motivated as ever. And he's eking away crucial bike lanes here from Andrea Dovizioso. 2 laps to go. Rossi knows he's got to be leading onto the start-finish straight by 5 or 6 bike lengths. Power of that Ducati without going to the straight. Rossi has been a master tactician in the past. He knows exactly what he's got to do. Now let's see if Andrea Dovizioso drags him to the line. This is going to set up a dramatic finale. They come across the start-finish straight to start final lap.
Now, is this a dress rehearsal? If Rossi has this advantage, can Dovizioso catch him? There's a very simple answer to that question. Yes, he can. So Rossi's got to try and open up some sort of advantage. We're into the last lap of an amazing opening round of the championship.
Rossi and Dovizioso going out to hammer and Tom. Rossi runs it a little bit wide through turn 2, pulls it back. Dovizioso, he's not giving up at all. Rossi still in the lead.
Up towards turn 4, Rossi leads the way. The right-hander on the top end of the circuit. Dovizioso right behind him. He knows if he can stay this close, he could bring victory to the GP15 Ducati.
Coming up to the twisty sections of this Losail International Circuit. This is where the Yamaha normally works incredibly well. Rossi knows he's got to open up a gap. The anxious Ducati management look on. Claudio De Manicali, the Ducati boss, on the right.
Rossi still holds the advantage. Dovizioso has him in his sight. This is where the Yamaha before. Can he open up the advantage? The 9 times world champion, 36 years old, fighting off the challenge of Dovizioso. 1 MotoGP victory to his credit.
Rossi 10th to 2nd last year. Is he going to go one better in 2015? It's all going to come down to this last 4 or 5 corners. Rossi accelerates through turn 12. He's got a little bit of a gap now. Dovizioso comes back. He's going to go right down to the wire. His first race.
They race down through the final run on the right-hander, down towards turn 15. The final left-hander. Is the gap big enough? Can Rossi just open up the advantage? Turn 16, the final bend approaches.
Here we go, Rossi now peeling into the right-hander through turn 16. Has he done enough? Valentino Rossi now powers that Yamaha to the straight. Dovizioso trying to get in the slipstream.
Here we go, the run to the line. Has Rossi done it? Here comes the Ducati. Valentino Rossi wins here in Qatar.
While the riders complete their victory lap and return to the Parc Ferme, let's take a look at the final ranking of
his career. Andrea Dovizioso could not have done anything more, but Valentino Rossi, the old warhorse, there he was again. What a brilliant last lap. Dovizioso, best lap of his race on the final lap, but it wasn't enough to deny Valentino Rossi. Rossi, Dovizioso, being early on the podium. What a race. Rossi, triumphant.
Wow, that's the only thing you can say. So, Marquez 5, Pedrosa 6, Brno 7, Smith 8, Paul Espargaro 9, Johnny Hernandez 10, Aleix Espargaro with
in addition to the
11.
victory, his position